Welcome back. Last time I promised to show you how to do banana ice cream using just one ingredient. And yeah, it's bananas. When your bananas get a little bit old and they're brown and some people don't like to eat them like this, we can just make a simple recipe, banana ice cream with them. And we start by peeling the bananas and Daniel's going to help me. Okay, our bananas are peeled. We're only just going to use 6 for now. You take the bananas and place them in the Ziploc bag. Zip it up, and then we're going to put it in the freezer and freeze overnight. And when they're frozen, we'll show you what to do with them. So we have our bananas in the freezer freezing. And what we want to show you is how to make a simple but creative and nice chocolate garnish for the banana ice cream. So we have just regular bubble wrap that you get from any packaging that you may receive at home or you can buy from the store. And we've washed it, dried it, and we're going to make a chocolate garnish with it. We've got our melted chocolate that we're going to put on here, pour it across, and we'll let it set and cold. So first Daniel will pour our chocolate in the middle of the bubble wrap.
Now we will spread the chocolate on the bubble wrap.
We're just spreading it in a thin layer. And thin enough so just the tops of the bubbles, you can just see through the tops of the bubbles. And that's thick enough. We'll spread it pretty evenly out. And that's about what we're looking for. Doesn't have to be perfect. Well, what do we do with that? Try and use it up, you think? Maybe? Or, you can enjoy that.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll let that cool on the chocolate, on the kitchen bench, sorry. And then we'll peel it off the bubble wrap, break it into whatever shape and size pieces we want to use for our banana ice cream. Is it good?
So the bananas are frozen now. And so now we need to blend them.
You can break them in half. You need to break them in half so they're going to move around inside the blender pretty easy. And again, banana recipe with just one ingredient, and it's bananas. If you don't like eating them when they're too brown, freeze them, take the peel off, freeze them, and then we'll blend them in the blender.
And I would close the lid. So now we are in the process of killing the bananas.
So the bananas are finished being processed and chopped up into a smooth banana ice cream. And all you got to do that is do it until the lumps are gone. And then you end up with a nice, smooth, creamy banana ice cream. As you can tell, the bananas have been all chopped up and smoothed out. It's really quite creamy, light, and it's basically, it's lactose-free, it's gluten-free, it's good for everybody. So we'll put it in the container with a lid. We'll pop it back in the freezer and we'll just enjoy that as we want. And we'll show you how to incorporate it with that nice chocolate garnish we made. So we've let our chocolate for our banana ice cream garnish dry. And we have it on the chopping board. We'll just flip that over. And then we peel the bubble wrap back. And remove it from the chocolate. And it just looks like honeycomb. Now what we want to do with this is break it into random pieces like so. About that big. And Daniel's going to do that. Just put your fingers under and break it into big pieces. Doesn't matter. And they just break off. And we'll use those for our banana ice cream garnish. The banana ice cream is being in the freezer. We have it here. We're just going to boil that up. That's perfect. We're going to use a half a strawberry to garnish the ice cream with. Do you want to cut the half a strawberry down? We're also going to use a sprig of mint and our honeycomb chocolate garnish. Which piece of chocolate do you want to use?
This one looks almond.
And we'll just finish that with a sprig of mint. And there's your banana ice cream. Just bananas.
And strawberry.
And chocolate.